The opposition's People's National Party continues to press the House Speaker to table the integrity report on the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA. The report, which was sent to Parliament on March 30, is being challenged by the FLA. But speaking at a press briefing a short while ago, the opposition contends that legal process has no bearing on the tabling of the report. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Now, the press briefing, which ended a short while ago while the Parliament was still in session, included Opposition Leader Mark Golding, Leader of Opposition Business Philip Paulwell, and Spokesman on National Security Peter Bunting. Now, the trio are all accusing House Speaker Juliet Holness of suppressing a report that was sent by the Integrity Commission investigating the Firearm Licensing Authority.
To the Speaker's role discretion to be an arbiter of what comes before the public and the Parliament in an Integrity Commission report. The Integrity Commission has a statutory purpose, which it is fulfilling by doing the investigation and issuing its report. The public has a right to know what's in that report. It is shocking that public resources are being deployed by a public body to undermine the transparency of a report by a central anti-corruption agency in the public sector, the Integrity Commission. There is no legitimate basis for holding back the tabling of that report. It is only mischief.
Notably, 4 other reports sent by the Integrity Commission were tabled in the Parliament today, but the one in question, which includes the Firearm Licensing Authority, was not. Leader of Opposition Business Philip Paulwell says he plans to ask the Speaker of the House about the issue. Meanwhile, Peter Bunting, who was former National Security Minister and had oversight for the FLA, says the report is expected to be damning. Now, we don't know the details of the report, but it's expected to uncover allegations of corruption, impropriety, and irregularities in the grant, variation, and revocation of firearm licenses and storage of firearms and ammunition at the FLA.
No, we'll be covering a much more current period. I expect sometime between the last report and now, which would be like in the last 5 to 7 years, I would guess, just from recollection. But what I can tell you, as spokesman on national security for much of that period, is that the stories coming out, the allegations coming out of what was happening at the Firearm Licensing Authority were scary and frustrating, and suppressing these reports essentially is preventing Parliament from exercising its constitutional responsibilities for oversight.
Reporting from Gordon House, I'm Jamaica Maitland for TVJ News.